As you can see, this is Tecno Spark 20. This is KJ5. So the customer told me that the phone drains too much, that it drains very fast. So she wanted me to replace the battery. So in this tutorial we are going to see how to replace this battery in a good way. So off the phone, and then we have to hit the core, this back, before we will be able to remove the screws. This phone, the screws are hidden under this back, and we have to hit it first, remove it before we see them. So I've set my heating gun machine at 430. I always leave it like that for most of my repairs. So this is it. I will use my reason to force open the back. This is because I don't want to use the other heating machine because it will take a lot of time. So I prefer to do it this way so that I should be fast. So open it. Force open it. Don't be afraid because this is a plastic cover, it cannot break. So after, I need to unscrew all the screws. As you can see, after unscrewing, I need to remove the SIM card tray. My fingernail is long and I always use it for many things, even to open this police. I'm using my fingernail to do that. Good. After that, I will need to also disconnect the fingerprint first. Yes, as you can see, disconnect the battery. Good. And then have to first remove the other battery. I'll straighten the battery and then bring the new battery that I have to replace with it. The other one was Tecno. When I went to the shop, the good battery that was there, I only found a Phoenix battery, but it's the same thing. So as you can see, it is the same thing. Now I will just insert it in the port and then connect the battery terminal to the motherboard, and that's just it. I always say battery replacement is the most simple and the simplest thing to do in phone repairs. Now I will start coupling my phone back. That's it. I will connect my fingerprint back. Cover it carefully. Now screw your phone back. You have to reset your SIM card back. I'll tie back my phone, screw it back. Please, if you have any question, you put it in the comment section. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe. for more useful tips and tech knowledge. So I'll apply the gum and then place the cover. This is the cover. So this is the most easy and simplest to do in phone repairs, replacement of battery. That's it. So I will need to take some rubbers and tie the phone so that the back cover will hold very well. And this is it. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for many other tutorials.